Tensions between India and Pakistan have reached a critical level after a wave of military strikes, drone intrusions, and a region on high alert. The Pakistani military says India launched a new round of aggression overnight, sending Harab drones into Pakistani airspace at multiple locations. According to ISPR Director General Lieutenant General Ahmad Sharif Chaudhry, 12 drones were intercepted and neutralized across key sites including Lahore, Rawalpindi, Attock, Gujranwala, Chakwal, Miano, Chor, and near Karachi. He called India's actions blatant military aggression and said Pakistan's forces remain at maximum alert.
Last night, that is the night of 7th and 8th May, India has undertaken yet another blatant military act of aggression against Pakistan by sending Harab drones at multiple locations. Pakistan Armed Forces, being in a high state of alert and vigilance, have so far neutralized 12 Harab drones at various locations. These locations are Lahore, Gujranwala, Chakwal, Rawalpindi, Attock, Bahawalpur, Miano, Chor, and near Karachi. As we speak, the process of India sending across these Harab drones, this naked aggression continues, and the armed forces are on high degree of alert and neutralizing them as we speak.
This escalation comes on the heels of India's Operation Sindoor. Islamabad says at least 31 civilians were killed and 50 injured in the strikes which hit populated areas across Punjab and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. In response, Pakistan says it shot down 5 Indian fighter jets including 3 Rafales. Reuters has confirmed that 3 Indian jets crashed in Jammu and Kashmir shortly after the attack, citing local Indian officials. Pakistan's National Security Committee has labelled the strikes as acts of war, accusing India of using military force to deflect from its domestic trouble. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif says the military response was swift, precise, and fully within Pakistani airspace. The fallout is spreading. Flight operations at Karachi, Lahore, and Sialkot airports have been suspended until noon Thursday, while airspace restrictions remain in place across parts of the Lahore flight region. Meanwhile, hospitals and emergency services across Pakistan are on emergency footing. Across the border, Indian cities have begun blackout drills, simulating wartime emergency response, and global powers are watching closely. The United Nations, United States, Russia, and China have all issued statements calling for immediate de-escalation and maximum restraint. As both nations brace for what may come next, the world waits, hoping diplomacy prevails before conflict spirals further.